Morning, Pigeon family. This is Ham's Loft. I took the birds about 2.5 miles just to let them go for a small toss. I counted them earlier. They was all there, but got home, they was already flying at the house. Yep, so it took them a little while. There they go, all 15 of them. Let me get them down. Hold on, let me get them down. All right, I'm gonna call them down. Well, they're trapping in pretty quick. See, we got see how many we got trapped. Those some of the other ones that I had that I moved over. Got the trap set up. I guess let me see how many out here. Oh, got one left sitting right there, so I don't see nobody else up there. Looks like we trapped 14. That guy right there. Get on in there. Get on in there. There you go. All right. I was taking I was gonna do an earlier shot of everything, but when I was inside putting the birds inside the crate, I ran into a problem with one of the birds that he wasn't on the flying team. But I'll let you take a look at him. Oh, there you go. It's this bird right here. Let me grab him so you can see. It's my outside separator. Whenever I got one that I can't. Hold on, let me put you on pause. All right, family, this is one of the birds that I got. I took him out the pen. It's one of my reds. I'm gonna see if you can get a better view. When I took him out the pen this morning, this eye right here was closed. I'm gonna try to get a closer view. Let me see if I can put the camera somewhere. I don't know if you can see this, but this eye was closed, and this is what the other eye looked like. Trying to calm him down. So if anybody can give me some feedback, I know it's kind of hard because I can't see what I'm doing. I'll put him right here. Oh, that eye was closed this morning. It looked like he couldn't get it open. It looked like it's, from the way I look at it, could be something wrong. I think it is. Look at the other eye. Come on, baby. Come on, turn around. Well, see if I can get him. That's the good eye. And that looks like the bad eye. While I was on work, while I'm at work, I'll go ahead and Google some stuff and see what I can catch or see what I can see. Hold on, family. All right, family, that's the only problem that I noticed. I had my little flight right here when I was cleaning the cage. He coughed twice. I don't know if you can hear him, but hear him or her. But she coughed twice. I can see when I look at that pigeon, when I look at him from the front, his face, it looks, I don't know if it looks swollen or pushed in, but something wrong with him. Something wrong with him. I never had one that had an eye closed in the morning. But that's what I got, family. Anybody want to comment? Definitely, I'm going to look at some alternatives, find out what. I mean, the eye is not, hell, it looks normal, but it was closed and he wouldn't open it. And I picked him up and separated him right away. And I don't know if he had a bad night or somebody poked him in the eye or whatever, but he was, he didn't look too good on the eye. All right, anybody got a idea, comment? Sorry, that's the closest I can get to him. I think I got all my birds in. I'm gonna leave the screen door open anyway, just to be on the safe side. I'll check it when I get home. All right, shouts out to Aloha Pigeons. Got a chance to finish up watching all your videos. God, I love them videos. All right, shouts out to Kenzie Mack, obviously, the medical scientist. Gonna have to give me some advice on that eye. Health Flights. Hope y'all having a good time up in the UK. Joe Tipplers, SNS Loft, Hawaiian Brian. You guys are crazy, man. But hey, y'all advice is definitely needed, and I appreciate it. Tippler Man 266. Nice group of pigeons. Nice group of tipplers you got up there. And Skywatcher. Just got you on Facebook. Appreciate you. All right, RC33. All right, y'all. Peace. Thanks for watching. Shouts out to all the flyers I left off. All right, then. Peace. Subscribe, comment.